You're going to the movies? I'm glad. Movies are good. So much noise in the movies. Remember, you're not allowed to talk when you're in the movies. Not even a whisper. Whispering is talking. It bothers people. You're gonna turn your pager off, right? And your cell phone. Those night comfy seats in the movies, these are other people's furniture. So keep your feet on the floor. You'll be eating? Of course you'll be eating. Soda, popcorn, yummy.